How to lock and unlock your Bank of America card. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will learn how we can lock and unlock a card on Bank of America. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to bankofamerica.com through our browser, then log in into your account. So once you're logged in, head over to the account tab from the top left corner. Under account tab, you have to select manage your card settings. Now your ATM debit credit card will pop up. After that, you have to go to your ATM debit or credit card tab, and on next to your card there is an option or toggle as log your card. So you have to turn on the toggle that says lock your card. Once you turn on the toggle, you will see this terms and conditions in your interface. From there, navigate to the bottom left corner, make sure that you read all of these terms and conditions, then tap on lock card option. Now your card is locked, and now if you wish to unlock your card again, all you have to do is toggle the options off and your card will be unlocked. So that's the way to lock and unlock your card on Bank of America. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.